Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to view Markdown file on VS Code in just a few quick steps. First, you need to open your Markdown file in VS Code. You can do this a couple of ways, either drag and drop the file straight into the editor window, or click File in the top menu bar, then click Open File and select your Markdown file. Once you open it, you'll see the raw Markdown syntax in the editor with syntax highlighting, so your headings, lists, and code blocks will have different colors, but they're not formatted yet. You're looking at the source code. Now, to see the formatted preview, press Ctrl plus Shift plus V if you're on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus V if you're on Mac OS. As soon as you press that, the preview opens in the same tab. The raw Markdown syntax disappears, and you'll see the rendered version, so your headings are now proper headings, your lists are formatted lists, any code blocks are styled, and if you've got images in the file, they'll show up too. It looks like a finished web page. This is a toggle. Press Ctrl-Shift-5 again to switch back to the code view, make your edits, then press it once more to see the updated preview. VS Code also has a side-by-side mode where you can see the source code and the preview at the same time. This is great if you're actively writing or editing because the preview updates live as you type. The keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl plus K, then V on Windows and Linux, or Command plus K, then V on Mac OS. That opens a split view with your code on the left and the preview on the right, and they scroll in sync. If you double-click any element in the preview, the editor automatically jumps to that exact line in your source code. So if you see something in the preview that needs fixing, just double-click it and you're right there. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.